Hi everyone, how is it going? How to duplicate layers and folders. Some people may be worried about it. In this video, I'll briefly explain how to duplicate them. First, select the layers you want to duplicate. Then, open the layer window and select Duplicate Layer from Add Special Layer. This will result in duplicating layers. This layer duplication is especially useful when you want to darken line art or backgrounds. First, select the folder you want to duplicate. Then, open the layer window and select Duplicate Folder from Add Special Layer. This will create a duplicating folder. This is especially useful when you want to duplicate colors together. First, select the folder you want to fully combine. Then open the layer window and select Add Layer from Folder from Add Special Layer. Then, you will have a layer that fully combines the content of the folder. I made too many layers in the folder, so it's hard to find the part I want to change or art. In that case, it will be faster to edit the layer that fully combines the contents of this folder. First, select the top of the layer menu. Then, open the layer window and select Add Layer from Canvas from Add Special Layer. This will create a complete duplicating of all the layers you are viewing. I want to save the completed line art or colors. In that case, this function is useful. Merging layers is explained in detail in another video. So if you are interested, please check the related video on the upper right. Thank you for watching this video. If this video is interesting, please push a like button. Also, if you ask questions in the comment section, it will be answered as soon as possible. Depending on the content, I may post new videos for answering your doubts and comments. So please subscribe to Animembo and set notifications for this. There are many people who watch the videos and don't register. So I will be very happy if you help me to grow. See you again in the next video.